Oh, now it's working. I'm about to start my intro, guys. 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing Helicopter Wars with some of my friends. They're new orb members
we're
too.
doing Helicopter Wars.
So why is Luke still in a match?
Of my clan.
In creative.
I have no clue. So we're doing Helicopter Wars today with my friends.
Bro, my man be screwing up my intro, but hey.
Okay.
Help me hit 200 subs, guys, and sub to the other people in my party, Luke and Brian.
Brian reacting channel.
So I'm gonna link their channel in the description.
Yeah. Yo,
this video is probably gonna be coming out on June. This month's June, right?
No, this month.
Yeah, we're on June.
Yeah, June 2nd. So
yeah.
June 2nd tomorrow.
I'll probably make it come out June something. I don't know.
This is coming out tomorrow, probably.
I'll link their videos or their channels, either one. But everybody ready up?
I messed it up.
Yeah, Brian, ready up.
I am ready. Alright. Oops.
Let's get it.
Yo, why is my audio so?
I'm gonna also be putting the rules in the description, by the way.
You have rules.
To make sure everybody understands the rules I told you guys.
No, no leaving the heli. Also,
yeah, no leaving the heli, no switching seats. You have to land straight on the heli. If you don't get on the heli straight away because somebody steals it, you have until the first zone closes to get into one.
Dude, I have to delete those.
Okay, am I back streaming yet?
I hit the
yeah,
I have to start that stream, so.
Hi guys,
I'm
streaming right now. We're about to do Helicopter Wars. These people are messing up my intro right now. Brian, shut up. And
yeah, Andy Pandy, screw off if you're gonna try to comment on my video.
Give me to 5 subs or something crazy like that. Some stupid shit.
Alright guys, we're doing Helicopter Wars. The rules are we can't touch the ground, we have to land straight on the heli.
Alright, I'm going I know where I'm going.
I'm gonna go
He said Orb Nation, bruh. Orb Dynasty said Orb Nation, bruh.
Yeah, our friend doesn't have a mic. He's gonna be getting one soon though, and we'll probably tell you what he says. Yeah, Andy Pandy be jealous. This is probably the only game we're gonna play because I don't like my videos being too long.
His name?
Yeah, don't tell me about it.
What's his name?
Xavier.
No, not Xavier.
Alright, we have to land right into the heli. Alright,
oh, Andy Pandy?
Yeah. Yo, shout out to Andy Pandy.
Heli number 1 picked up. Can we switch helis if it gets the 1 HP if we find a heli?
Yeah, you can.
Wait,
yes,
Brian,
you can.
no, I'm going there. I already called that spot way before.
Dude, I'm not going there. I already have a heli.
Who thinks they're going there?
Oh, I marked. Be nice to Luke. Luke, come with me. I'm gonna drive you to another heli before next zone closes.
Everyone, I'm gonna hit.
My spot.
Can we get shield from slurp trucks?
No, you can't get out of your heli.
No, from slurp trucks.
Oh yeah, true, you could, but it damages your heli, so I wouldn't.
Damn, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go fly high. You know, imagine I win this game.
Yo, I'm nice. I'm probably the only one that would actually bring an enemy up to their heli.
I'm about to start breaking this heli. I'm not gonna do it. I'm kidding. Why?
Bro, I'm being nice. Oh no, I might not make it, honestly. Storm closes in 20 seconds. Here, get in your alley.
Hi, cat.
The agency
In your alley, quick!
I'm out. See you later, henchmans.
Guys, everyone go to max height and just chill.
No, I have a game plan.
Just chilling like we always do.
And
Guys,
we're
it's gonna be a
people,
pretty
yeah.
calm video, to be honest.
Not ours
No.
though.
I'm not doing that.
Hi, Luke.
Gosh. Yo,
No, it doesn't do it.
chill.
Yo, whoever
Yeah,
gets
I'm gonna
shot
go
at
chill.
first, imagine.
Dude, I'm gonna go chill off the map.
Bro, that's my
win.
strategy. Oh,
How about you? Max
no,
height,
you.
Channel?
Yeah. I'm putting this on my YouTube. I'm
Alright.
streaming too.
Luke, I'll put your YouTube channel in the description too.
Okay.
It's
Let's all.
like a... Dude, Xavier, by the way. Oh, everyone just land and chill like this. Is there kids? Dude, everyone just stay safe. Dude,
What's up, everybody?
dude, you guys can all look at your, I'm gonna link their YouTube channel so you can go look at their perspective of
Bro,
dude, really turning into a hell of a war.
Luke, your plane literally has like water coming off of it.
No, it doesn't. It's just my gun skin. My plane skin.
No, it had water coming off it, like a trail. Like it's coming
can't
off
really
of
tell
Brian's
this
right
thing.
now.
Oh, that's just why. It's making me turn around when it's just.
It's just because when we get out of the water, it does that.
Brian needs to go get a different heli. My heli's so damaged.
I'm at 1,370.
Fine.
Not
Well, you can't trade
1,005.
helis unless you jump in from the top.
Yeah, I know.
can't touch
That's
it
the
then.
only way. It's kind of risky. Come and tell me.
Dude, what the hell are we doing? We survived most of the players. Dude, imagine we win the game. But we're gonna
In a
Yeah, that's
heli?
what I said earlier.
at the end.
Bro, on
Imagine
video.
we win first.
Not clickbait.
Not okay. Oh my god.
Got it.
Hilarious. That's all I imagine. Did you do it?
New heli.
Oh.
Not bought.
1,406 HP because henchman shot at it.
Let's not do KO clickbait.
Do I have the most? Do I have the most HP now on any heli?
I have 1,075.
I have 1,426.
I see.
There's like a
I
20-second delay in my thing.
Yeah, same. Because if you have it on the highest, it has a delay, but 720 is like right on time. Yeah, I don't
No,
want to
so-
harm with anybody.
I need to trade helis. Damn, I have to trade.
I wish there was a way to like not have helis make noise.
Like
Yeah,
a
just,
suppressed
like,
heli.
Yes,
oh
that.
my. Dude, I'm not
Betting on
betting
it?
this.
You
I'm trying
betting
to
on
make
it?
content. No, don't do it. We get content.
He's actually gonna jump out.
Dude,
YOLO.
Commit, don't
skybase.
commit, don't
Guys,
commit.
I'm not. Dude,
For the
imagine
viewers,
skybasing.
if you ever
Yo,
feel like
dude,
you're gonna kill
what's the point of
yourself, just call
skybasing
suicide
anymore?
hotline prevention.
What's the point of skybasing anymore? Just grab a heavy sniper and fly an alley.
That's the
Dude,
new
I've
meta,
actually-
y'all.
I actually
Yo, I have this
skybased.
meta.
No, you're trying to hit me, Xavier.
Luke, I see you. Luke, I know what you're about to do.
Dude, if
I'm
this
not
works,
coming with
Brian knows what I'm doing.
That's the dumbest idea I've ever seen, and you just took so much damage doing it.
you.
I don't think you're big brain.
So we lost one of them in the challenge. Wait, who took the agency heli? Yo, Xavier,
Oh my
Luke,
God.
we can go get you a new heli.
Okay, where?
Bro, I'm
yeah.
tired, to be honest.
It's gonna be my longest video, dude. One of my longest videos. Until
Yeah,
This
we make,
is
like,
probably
40
gonna be
second videos.
my longest. And also, guys, you might want to check out my TikTok. If
Yeah.
you want to, I'm bored.
You can also go check out my TikTok, Brian05.
Nah, bro, don't check mine. No, I'm kidding. Support everybody in Orb,
This is
bro.
good.
Support everybody in Orb.
Sure.
Orb rules.
Oh,
Any people that aren't in Orb are trash. Except for all the
true.
pro players.
and all the people that subscribe.
Oh yeah, true. All of the Orb subscribers are blessed people.
I'm goats on the sticks, boys. That's what they are.
How much subs do y'all have, Brian and Luke?
Like one, like two maybe.
13.
Guys, get this
Luke,
man the
yes,
10
that's a
subs.
risky
Come on.
situation. Luke, that's a risky. Jump out, Luke, go.
No, I did it.
My fucking god. Oh, I see a lawnmower. I really want it.
My
I'm not
heli's at
capping.
Bro, look at my
1,257.
heli. Look at my heli on the soccer field.
Dude,
That was
I'm
my
not
old
capping.
heli.
Look.
Look at the heli on the soccer field, y'all. That's my old
Dude,
heli.
look at this shit. Look how nice this lawnmower looks.
Look how nice this.
I can't.
Oh, I wonder
Oh,
how
that's
mad
amazing.
Luke would be if I slammed his heli right now.
Bruh, don't.
Dude, I can't. We can't leave the. Dude, this is my first heli, dude.
Hey, Luke. No, kid.
I'm
Dude,
gonna slam
my
your
first
heli. How
heli.
about that?
Yo, everybody slam Luke. No, kid.
This is really my
Yo.
first heli. I'm still that one.
Guys, this is
Yo, no
content.
problem.
How have none of us been shot yet? I'm so confused. How has nobody heard
Dude, I hit a
this?
llama down there.
How has nobody heard of like
Dude, they
4
don't-
helis in the sky?
I know why. Because they're deaf unless they subscribe to the channels.
Oh my god!
Yeah, then they're not bad.
Dude, these kids, all the kids on the ground are deaf. They can't hear them unless they're not subscribed. Dude, you guys' helis are
Only
weak.
people that can hear us are subs, but they won't hit us because they know it's us.
Yeah, we just
Who's stopping the bot?
Bro,
Well,
I
we
need to
have fun.
replace my helis. Bro,
Dude,
is there any
same.
other
Mhm.
helis in zone?
hell no. Hell no.
Why is there
So-
one supply drop?
Is there one at
There's a
agency?
llama. There's a llama back here.
Is there one at agency?
Bro, watch us
No.
win and then we all drop a donut. No kills.
No, we're gonna get kills off the chopper.
No, we're not. I'm not doing that.
This is entertaining stuff, guys. Very entertaining.
It's very,
Hey, you know what?
guys, it's very
You know what I just
stressful
thought
for
of?
us because we
There's no
we,
way for
we
us to
just
win.
missed out on some good loot.
Bro, we
Yeah,
can't
it's very
physically
stressful.
win unless like somehow we all like they all can't hit a shot or it's an AI.
Unless they get stuck in storm.
Bro, we
Dude,
need
That's
an
like when we
AI to
get-
be the last guy.
We need
We need
a
a
random
bot.
storm.
Has nobody gone down yet? I want somebody to go down.
Dude, this is my first heli. What do you guys? You guys are on the third.
Yeah, I might
it's
switch
second.
out for my old heli. No, actually, my old heli has less.
Last health. I wish the helis respawned in. Dude, what is this? Is there like 14 AIs or what?
Bro, this video is 17 minutes long already.
Ooh, I just got hit.
Deadass. Mine's probably like 16 man.
My video is 17.
I repeat, gunshots.
Oh, I just got shot at. I'm being hit. No, no, no.
Everyone-
No.
Everyone,
Ah!
mayday. Everyone,
Mayday, I'm running. No, no, no. No, no, no.
don't
Back off, bro. Bro, this kid's down there.
back off.
He's down there.
then get away from the room.
I tried. Me and Luke are chilling at the edge. Yo, Luke, you wanna be friends?
I'm going in storm.
Yo, Luke, we can be friends here, and we can just chill.
The storm's 5 tick. I'm not going in there.
Oh, Brian!
Oh, wait, what?
Brian, I wish you hit him for the YouTube content.
Yeah,
I'll
I
hit,
think
I'll
you
hit both of you.
Dude, fuck you.
He switched helis.
Bro, there are kids over here, and I'm scared of them.
No, guys, here's what we need to do. If we're actually trying to win, we need to stay, like, camp around the zone, like, around the edge, like, around the storm.
Bro, there's
And as
no
soon
way
as it
we
starts
actually win
moving in-
this. Like, I'm gonna chill right
As soon as
here.
it-
Now, I'm gonna go near the
I'm
storm.
gonna fly around them.
No, guys, camp
gonna go
around the
now.
edge, and then when it starts moving, just start moving with it, like, right with it.
Alright, guys, I fully don't have any batteries on because
How much HP does everybody tell you have?
956.
No! Stop it, Xavier! Oh my god, can somebody get it? My heli's smoking. Xavier?
Xavier, stop.
Oh my god.
Xavier,
What?
Xavier, we're not gonna tag you if you don't
Hold on.
stop.
Come on, man.
Does Xavier have a mic?
No. Bro, you hit me 3 times! I mean, yes, this is the point of the game, but I thought we were cool.
Dude, I did not think we're gonna last with 7 people left. At all. Dude, one of us can win because there's 4 of us in the heli.
Only if one of us wins, imagine that.
Oh my god. That shit's gonna go
Bro, we
down.
all have to be super spread out. So people can't target all of us.
Dude, I'm
Dude,
like,
I'm
storm. I
just-
don't know what you're doing. You guys are tripping.
I'm gonna chill over here,
Dude,
bro.
if we wait to final zone, we're not gonna all be able to fit in final zone, so we're gonna have to all round heli.
Unless
Bro,
we
we're
all
all
have
gonna have
different-
to go in and out of storm. Or
No.
we just go
No,
down and
unless
try
we-
to hit
we
everybody with a
ran
heli. Or we
I'm
try to hit
circling around
everybody
the
with a
edge of
heli.
the storm right now. I'm circling
Dude,
around the edge
it's
right
gonna
now.
be the
of
best
storm.
content out there if we do this.
Bro, no way we get this dub. I don't know what the title's gonna be if we win.
Heli challenge.
Heli's only, no
Heli's
cap
only
win,
challenge.
no cap Vic Roy.
No, not clickbait. Not clickbait. Win. No, it's not.
Heli's challenge. Heli's only.
How is no? Everybody's probably like, 4 helis in the sky, no biggie. Let's just let them win. Hopefully. I think there are kids down
7
there.
kids left, guys.
Kids are down there.
6 kids. 6 kids left, by the way, guys.
Bro, we just need everybody to fight. Isn't there? Bro, I think there's a 3-person squad and a 4-person squad. And then us.
I'm chilling
And,
around. I'm just chilling around like the circle at max height.
dude, I
like
see
the
kids
edge
right
of the
here.
storm, just going around and around and around it.
Why are you flying over them, Brian?
Dude, I'm fucking, oh my god, they're fucking getting fucking laser. I'm just watching this for entertainment. Entertainment purposes.
What's happening?
They're just getting demolished. Dude, guys, they have miniguns. Get to max height. They can't
Oh,
see
they
the
have
max height.
miniguns? Hold up. I'm scared now. The second you said they had miniguns, oh, I'm backing up. Backing up a bit.
Yeah, facts. I'm going over here.
Bro, half my heli's in the storm. And the part with me in
That
it
happened
isn't. This is big brain.
Yeah, that happened to me earlier.
No, look.
That's what I was
Look
just
at my
doing, like,
heli.
5 minutes ago. I know, I was just doing
Dude, I
that.
put my phone on Do Not Disturb.
Guys, it's
And
big
my
brain.
teachers be, oh, it's us versus four.
Is the phone on
Us
you?
versus four.
It's us versus four.
No.
No.
Let us get the win. Let us get the win, bro.
I'm about to find these kids' names, get into the shit, and then
I'm nervous, bro. I feel like they're gonna be
Viking.
sweats, but then I also feel like they could be nice people who will let us get the win.
Oh no,
You know what we
those are
should
the
do?
kids in the
We should
minigun.
try. We should try doing this again. After, like later, we should try doing this again, and then we should do it with default skins on so that they think we're bots, like all default everything, and then maybe they would think they were bots and let us have the win.
Dude, I'm scared.
Yeah, bro, we
dude.
should make another video that's like we were defaults and acted like noobs to see if they would let us get a win.
Dude, my heli's a max. I'm trying to. This is a scary situation. You can't. It's so
Guys,
small. Why?
This is one of the best videos on YouTube.
Dude, I see them.
Look at my-
I see them too, bro. They're in an apple orchard. I'm moving around them. I am very.
I'm just
Why is
circling
Brian so low? That's my question.
I'm at max almost.
No, you're not. You're way below
Dude.
me. Bro, I still have 0 mats.
I have nothing. No ammo.
I
Dude, oh
Bro,
my
I have
God, this is
nothing.
risky.
I think we're
Bro,
gonna win.
maybe they'll let us get the
Not
win.
even a cap.
Honestly.
They
Dude.
might. They might.
This content, dude. How
Bro,
long
they're
do you
probably
guys
like,
have
bro,
to do
these
it?
kids are YouTubers. Might as well get
You know how, like,
let them
perfect-
get their title.
You know how
you
there's
know
no
how-
kids in front of it?
You know how like perfectly we're gonna have to be parked at last zone?
Bro, everybody,
Dude, I'm
we're
not
gonna have to
doing
be levels, guys. Like, one guy's gonna be at the
We're gonna have
top.
to be like this.
I'll be at the top, guys. I'll be at the top. And
I'll be
one
at the
person's
bottom.
gonna be below me, and we can't move.
Dude, they're gliding. They're gliding.
Fred, come here. We're literally gonna
Alright.
have to be like this.
Yeah, we're gonna, like, go down, Brian. Brian, go down. Yeah, like this. Me and Xavier. Like, me and
Yeah,
Xavier.
like the air shows in GTA.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Bro,
yeah,
let's
that's
do this
exactly
the
what I was
entire time to see it. They only think there's one guy.
They're fighting.
Big brain plays, yo. No! Brian! You know, I don't trust Brian anymore.
No.
Wait, are they letting?
No,
No!
you guys are.
No! You posted me in the storm. Oh, it's a tactic. Are they letting us get
What?
the
No,
win?
it's not.
Honestly, I think they're letting us
No,
get the
they're
win.
building.
They're fighting.
Dude, first game trying to do this ever. Dude, will they?
I think they're actually gonna let us get the win.
Dude, they don't even know where we. I have to go halfway down because
Do they? Bro, they probably have their volume all the way down.
Yeah.
No,
Dude,
not
no.
yet, not
RPG
yet,
spam.
not yet.
RPG spam.
Bro, this
Oh my-
storm. Okay, I'll be top, guys. Line up.
Not yet,
Right
not
here.
yet, not yet.
Go below me.
Make it small.
Go below me, everybody.
Dude, I can't. I'm gonna go on top.
Alright, Brian,
can't
you
go
be on top. I'll be
on
second. I'll be second.
Right.
I'm right here.
Dude, look at this.
No, come, guys, line up.
Dude, I
Oh
lined
shit.
up. Gunfire, gunfire, gunfire.
Yeah, I got hit hard. Oh
RPGs.
Dude, you know what time it is.
no! I'm being shot at.
You can shoot the rocket. Whoops.
Shoot.
Don't.
Storm's like
Dude,
12.
just say that.
12 tick.
Bro, go for them.
Yeah.
Everybody go down.
Ray, I'm still posting this either way.
Yeah, I'm posting it, bro.
Dude, I'm dead, that storm.
No,
Oh.
Dynasty.
Dude, you guys go for them. I can't. I'm staying out of the air.
I'm still up.
You know what? Everyone clear.
I'm trying to boost them off their side. I hit one.
Dude, don't do that.
I almost knocked him.
How much?
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm
It's
dead.
ours. One. We knocked one. No.
I'm dead.
No.
Wait.
Luke.
Bro, they're gonna win.
We can make history right now, Luke.
My heli's already low, I'm going down. Stay up, Brian, stay up.
Yeah, Luke.
Bro, I hit 150.